All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to take 20 bucks and turn it into hundreds in minutes. What you're going to do, all right, so you're going to get you some gutter silicone, 20 bucks, and a gun, I guess. I mean, you should have a gun. Then you're going to go into the gutters like this, that crack right there. Then you're going to take some goo, and you're going to come all the way to the back. And we're gonna do it like so. Make it good. Put a bunch in there. You want it big. Okay. This stuff can be applied wet or dry. Then what you're gonna do? Is you're gonna tool this out. Alright. Like this. This is gonna stop this gutter corner from leaking all over their walk path. So in the winter time, you get ice build up, all kinds of bad news. Bam. You see that? See how that's done? Like that. What did that take? A couple minutes, right? Just like that. Boom. 50 bucks. Good return already on your $20 purchase. We got about 5 more of those to do. Okay guys, little trade secret too. You can spend your time wheeling all this old stuff out, which is rock hard and almost impossible to get out of there. Or, little trade secret, what I tell my boys, make sure your cock is bigger than the last guy's, and you'll be just fine. I had to use my phone to make this video. So guess what I'm gonna have to do? Yeah, you know what I'm gonna have to do. I have to upcharge. When I got to this particular job, there's nobody home. No one to let me in. So I had to take a leak in a bottle. So what am I have to do? I have to upcharge. So I'm up here working hard on the customer's roof. What do you know? My boot's untied. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm fucking upcharge. And look at this. There's actually stuff in the gutter the whole way. Can you believe it? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna upcharge. And after cleaning out the gutters, you can see all that nasty stuff in there. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna have to disconnect all the downspouts, like that one over there. And I'm gonna have to flush it all out. And then these gutters are so full that all this stuff spilt all over the place. So you know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to upcharge. So I called the customer and I told her that, you know, you got a lot of shingle material in here and I'm gonna have to flush out and upcharge you. The customer said, I'm fine with that. You do with your Z-Fit. So, good call, because now there's nothing in there to go down into your cistern tank, get into your cistern and plug it all up. You don't want to be collecting that. Where we are here, there is no wells, there is no water. Your water is whatever you collect off your roof. It's important to keep these with nothing in them. I know what you're thinking, why clean out the gutters when you got all this up here? Well, we're going to take care of that at a later date. Because to be honest, well, that's kind of expensive for me to do that, but we'll be doing that soon. So I gotta do what I gotta do. Customer's always right. And all the while I'm up on here fixing this customer's roof, I have to sit here and watch stuff like this. Now you probably can't see it, well, but right out there, that guy's fishing. He's fishing. So I'm gonna have to upcharge. There you go, guys. Was 9 reseals done. Took about 20 minutes to do. I still got enough left for probably 2 more, so that's $450 for 20 minutes worth of work. And $20, well, throw another $5 in for a cheap gun. 25 bucks in costs. That's how you're gonna get some money, people. I'm not ripping people off trying to upcharge this and that because I got my dirty boots on and it's Saturday and all this crap. That's how you make real money, people. You do a good job. You inform your customers, educate them on why you're doing an upcharge and how it's going to better them. And you're going to have customers come back every year. You're not even going to have to advertise. You're not going to have to look for more work. Nothing. They're just going to keep coming back. Why? Because you do a good job at a fair price. And you inform the customer of your values. That's how you do it, boys.